Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue solving Test Yourself from chapter Distance Formula. So starting with question number 7. Given A is 3, 1 and B is 0, y minus 1. Find y if AB is equal to 5. It's very easy. दो पॉइंट्स है A and B. A का कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 3, 1, B का कोऑर्डिनेट्स 0, y minus 1, where we have to find out y. Okay. AB is 5. Now 5 what we don't know, so 5 units. Okay. By distance formula, what is the distance of the 2 points A and B? By distance formula, it will be root of 3 minus 0 the whole squared plus 1 minus y minus 1 the whole squared. This will be the distance between the 2 points A and B, right? But what is the distance between the 2 points? It is 5 units. So AB is 5, therefore I can say 5 is equal to this root. ये solve करेंगे and y का value find out करेंगे. Okay, so on solving you will get the value of y. Very easy. Let us solve now with proper steps. Always write down the given first. So we'll write down the coordinates of A and B. Okay. We are also given the distance AB. It is 5 units. Now what is the distance AB by distance formula? It will be root of 3 minus 0 the whole squared plus 1 minus y minus 1 the whole squared. Be very careful. Y minus 1 के पहले negative sign है, so put it in brackets. Okay. You can solve the other way around also. Instead of 3 minus 0, you can take 0 minus 3 the whole square and यहाँ पे y minus 1 the whole square. Okay. So AB क्या है? 5 है. So 5 is equal to 3 minus 0 is 3 whole squared and यहाँ पे 1 minus signs are going to change. So we'll get 5 is equal to 9 plus 2 minus y the whole squared. Now we'll apply a minus b the whole square का formula. Okay. But before that, let us remove this root. Okay. Root के अंदर ये terms है. So root निकाल देते हैं by squaring on both the sides. So squaring on both the sides. 5 का square 25 and root हट जाएगा. So 9 plus. Now we'll open the brackets. So a square that is 2 square minus 2ab, so 2 into 2 4, 4 into y 4y plus b square that is y square. Okay, so we are getting 25 is equal to 13 minus 4y plus y square. Okay, so let's rearrange the terms. पहले power 2 वाला term लिखते हैं, then power 1 and then the constant term and shifting 25 over here. So y square minus 4y plus 13 minus 25 हो जाएगा. Okay. So that will give y square minus 4y minus 12. Okay. Now switch the sides. तो switch करके proper quadratic equation मिल रहा है. Okay. So we'll split the middle term. Alright, ये middle term को split करेंगे. 12 is the product. Okay, minus 12. So 12 का factors find out करो, बहुत easy है. 2 and 6 यहाँ पे factors होगा because 2 and 6 का difference is giving me minus 4. Okay, so minus 6 and plus 2 are the factors. On multiplying the 2, I'll get minus 12, है ना? And on adding the 2, I will get minus 4. Right? So y square minus 6y plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. ये मैटर नहीं करता है, पहले 2y लिख सकते हैं, बाद में minus 6y लिख सकते हैं. It will still be correct. Okay. Taking common now. you should get same terms in brackets. Okay, bracket same मिलना चाहिए. So y minus 6 in one bracket and y plus 2 in other bracket. Product of the brackets is 0. So either of the two has to be 0. Okay. So either y minus 6 is 0 or y plus 2 is 0. So y is 6 or y is minus 2. Box the answers, write down the final statement. The value of y is 6 or minus 2. Okay. Let's read the next question. Question number 8. Given a is x plus 2 comma minus 2 and b is 11 comma 6, find x if ab is equal to 17. It's similar to question number 7. So same way solve करेंगे. Okay. So I'll directly start with the solution. पहले coordinates लिखो, that is given हमेशा पहले लिखो. So a is x plus 2 comma minus 2 and b is 11 comma 6. ab दिया हुआ है, ab is 17 units लिखो. Okay. Now what is the distance between the points a and b using distance formula? Using distance formula, it will be root of subtracting the x coordinates and squaring, subtracting the y coordinates and squaring and adding the two. Okay. So ये formula use कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Okay. x2 minus x1 की जगह x1 minus x2 ले सकते हैं, यहाँ पे y1 minus y2 ले सकते हैं. It will still be correct. So x plus 2 minus 11 the whole squared plus minus 2 minus 6 the whole square. So you can solve the other way around also. Root of 11 minus x plus 2. तो x plus 2 को brackets में रखना. When you open the sign, open the brackets, so signs are going to change. Okay. And 6 minus minus 2, that will give 6 plus 2. Okay. AB क्या है? 17. So it will be x minus 9 the whole squared and here minus 8 squared. Root हटा देते हैं. So squaring on both the sides. Okay. So 17 का square 289. Here root will go away. So negative का square positive. So 289 is equal to, expanding this a minus b the whole square का formula. So a square minus 2ab, so 2 into 9 into x, 18x plus b square, that is 81. Okay. So 289 is equal to x square minus 18x plus 145. Shifting 289 on the other side. So that will give x square minus 18x. This will become minus 144, right? Now switch the sides. Quadratic equation मिल रहा है. Okay. So we have to solve it. Splitting the middle term method से. So product क्या है यहाँ पे? Minus 144 and sum is minus 18. Product negative है. It means one of the numbers is negative, other is positive. Okay, different sign होगा तभी आंसर नेगेटिव आता है. Okay, so एक फैक्टर नेगेटिव है, एक पॉजिटिव है. Okay, अब वो दो नंबर्स क्या है ये फाइंड आउट करना है. एडिंग द टू नंबर्स यू आर गेटिंग minus 18. Okay, तो सम नेगेटिव है, इट मीन्स ग्रेटर नंबर इज नेगेटिव एंड स्मॉलर नंबर इज पॉजिटिव. Okay, so let us find out that two numbers जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करके you are getting minus 144 and add करके minus 18 मिल रहा है. So factorize 144. Okay. 2 72s 2 and 72 मल्टीप्लाई करके 144 ही मिलेगा, लेकिन ऐड करके क्या मुझे मिल रहा है 18? नो. 2 36 so 2 2s 4 and 36. It will still not give me 18, minus 18. Okay. एक नेगेटिव होगा, एक पॉजिटिव होगा. Keep that in mind. 2 18s 2 2s 4 4 2s 8 8 and 18. again I'll not get minus 18. 2 9s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 and 9. Am I going to get minus 18? No. 3 3s are, so यहाँ तक 16 था, 16 3s are 48, तो 48 and 3, no, I'm not going to get minus 18. 3 1s are. So ये factors है. Now what we'll do is we'll rearrange the factors. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने 2s को ग्रुप किया था, 2 के साथ 3 को ग्रुप करके देखते हैं. तो एक 2 and एक 3 को ग्रुप करते हैं, तो that will give me 6, 2 3s are 6. Remaining 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24 and 6, minus 24 plus 6, greater, negative, smaller, positive. On adding the 2, you are going to get minus 18, है ना? And multiply करके you are getting minus 144, right? ये सारे factors consider किए, तो multiply करके 144 मिलेगा ही, okay? So this is the answer, okay? That is these are the factors. So minus 24x plus 6x minus 144 equals to 0. That will give x into x minus 24. यहाँ पे 6 कॉमन लेंगे, ब्रैकेट में x minus 24. Okay, you should get same brackets. X minus 24 into x plus 6 is equal to 0. Product of two brackets is 0. It means either of the two is 0. Okay, कोई भी एक 0 है. So x minus 24 is 0 or x plus 6 is 0. So x is 24 or x is minus 6. We got the values of x. Box कर दो. Write down the final statement. The value of x is 24 or minus 6. Let's solve the next question. Question number 9. The center of a circle is 2x minus 1, 3x plus 1. Find x if the circle passes through minus 3, minus 1 and the length of its diameter is 20 units. Now there is a circle. So एक सर्कल है एंड उसका सेंटर है जिसका कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिया है. सेंटर का कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 2x minus 1, 3x plus 1. We have to find out x. Okay. What else? The circle passes through minus 3, minus 1. ये जो सर्कल है इसका circumference है. It passes through this point. Okay. So it means this point is lying somewhere on the circumference of the circle. Okay. So minus 3, minus 1 lies on this circumference. Okay. Length of the diameter is 20 units. जो diameter है circle का, the diameter is 20 units. Now since I know diameter, I can easily find out radius. हाफ हो जाएगा, है ना? 10 units. तो रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल इज 10 यूनिट्स. नाउ ध्यान से देखो, ये सेंटर है, दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑन सर्कमफेरेंस. सो जॉइनिंग द सेंटर एंड द पॉइंट ऑन सर्कमफेरेंस, व्हाट विल आई गेट? रेडियस. सो रेडियस इज 10 यूनिट्स. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज 2 पॉइंट्स इज 10 यूनिट्स. ओके. Now I can easily find out the distance between these 2 points using distance formula, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, right? So I'll easily get the distance between the 2 points. This distance is equal to r, that is nothing but 10. Okay. So ये solve करेंगे and x का value find out करेंगे. Okay. So let us solve now with proper steps. Draw the figure for reference. First we'll write down the given information. So the center of the circle is 2x minus 1, 3x plus 1. Okay. Also the point minus 3, minus 1 lies on circumference of the circle. Okay, what else is given? Diameter is given. So diameter is 20 units. So radius हो जाएगा d by 2 which is 20 by 2 which is 10 units. Okay. Now we know that the distance between these 2 points, the center and the point on the circumference, is radius. So we'll write down the distance between the points 2x minus 1 comma 3x plus 1 and minus 3 comma minus 1 is equal to r, which is 10 units. So distance between these 2 points is 10 units. Okay, but what is the distance between the 2 points using distance formula? Let's see. Distance between points 2x minus 1 comma 3x plus 1 and minus 3 comma minus 1 is equal to root of subtracting the x coordinates. So 2x minus 1 minus 3 the whole square. Okay, be very careful with signs over here. Okay, plus 3x plus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 the whole square. Okay, now what is the distance between these 2 points? It is 10 units. So 10 is equal to this root. Okay, so root of 2x minus 1 minus plus हो जाएगा the whole square plus 3x plus 1 minus वापस से plus हो जाएगा the whole square. Okay, so let's remove the root by squaring on both the sides. So squaring on both the sides, 10 का स्क्वायर 100 हो जाएगा एंड यहाँ पे रूट हट जाएगा. सो over here we'll get 2x plus 2 the whole squared plus 3x plus 2 the whole squared. Okay, now we'll expand the two brackets using the formula a plus b the whole square. Okay, so 100 is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a is this, तो 2 का स्क्वायर 4 हो जाएगा, x का स्क्वायर x स्क्वायर, तो a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, so 2 into 2x into 2 that will give 8x plus b square that is 2 square 4 हो जाएगा. Same thing over here. Okay, a square that is 9x square हो जाएगा plus 2ab, so 2 into 3x into 2 that will give 12x plus b square. Okay, so we are getting 100 is equal to x square add करते हैं, so 13x square, x वाला terms 20x and यहाँ पे plus 8. Okay, in next step we'll shift 100 on the other side. So now we'll shift 100 on the other side, so 0 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे minus 100. Okay, so 0 is equal to 13x square plus 20x, 8 minus 100 हो जाएगा minus 92. Okay, now switch the sides, proper quadratic equation मिल रहा है. Okay, and over here if you check, product is quite big, 13 into minus 92. Okay, so be careful with signs, negative आ रहा है. Okay, so 13 into minus 92. So let's check the product. Factors find out करना पड़ेगा. We have to split the middle term, right? So 92 into 13, that is going to give me 6, 27, 2, 9, 1196. Okay, so 1196 को factorize करेंगे, minus 1196. Okay, so minus 1196 is the product and sum क्या है, plus 20 है. Okay, सो दो ऐसा फैक्टर्स जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करके -1196 मिलेगा एंड ऐड करके 20 मिलेगा. प्रोडक्ट नेगेटिव है, इट मीन्स वन फैक्टर इज नेगेटिव, अदर इज पॉजिटिव. ओके, तो एक नेगेटिव है, एक पॉजिटिव है. ऑल राइट, नाउ सम इज पॉजिटिव, इट मीन्स ग्रेटर फैक्टर इज पॉजिटिव. ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड सम गिव्स यू द साइन ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर. तो ग्रेटर नंबर पॉजिटिव होगा, स्मॉलर नंबर नेगेटिव होगा. ओके, सो 1196 का फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स 13 एंड 92 नहीं है, दोनों को ऐड करके आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गेट 20. ओके, सो डिवाइडिंग बाई 2 फर्स्ट. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 2 and 5 98. ऐड करके मुझे नहीं मिलने वाला है 20. ओके, 2 and 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18. So 2 2s are 4, 4 and 2 99. Again I will not get. So here I am getting 20 on adding the numbers, so not divisible by 3. 13 into 92, तो 13 is a factor of 1196. ओके, तो 13 से डिवाइड करते हैं. 13 2s are 26 and 39, 13 3s are. All right, so 2 2s are 4, 4 and 13, 52 and 23. I'm not going to get 20. Okay, so 23 ones are prime number है. Okay, so what we'll do now, we'll group some numbers. Let's do one thing, 13 and 2 को ग्रुप करते हैं. तो 13 into 2 gives 26. ये दो को ग्रुप किया एंड अब ये दो को ग्रुप करते हैं. 23 into 2 gives 46. यस, स्मॉलर नंबर नेगेटिव होगा, ग्रेटर नंबर पॉजिटिव होगा. ऐड करो, आई एम गेटिंग 20 एंड मल्टीप्लाई करके आई विल गेट -1196. सो वील स्प्लिट द मिडिल टर्म नाउ. ओके, so 13x square minus 26x plus 46x minus 92 is equal to 0. So 13 common निकलेगा and x भी, so that will give x minus 2 in the brackets. Here again I'll take something common. Okay, I should be getting x inside the bracket, तो 46 पूरा common निकलेगा. Okay, 46 into 2 is 92. You can check. You should get same brackets. All right. तो 46 कॉमन लेंगे तो x बचेगा and minus 2. Okay. So 13x plus 46 in one bracket and x minus 2 in another bracket. So product of two brackets is 0. It means one of them is 0. So 13x plus 46 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 13x is equal to minus 46 और x is equal to 2. एक वैल्यू तो मिल गया, दूसरा फाइंड आउट करते हैं. -46 upon 13 और x is 2. So दो वैल्यूज मिल रहा है हम लोग को. ओके, वी हैड टू फाइंड x ओनली. कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट नहीं करना है. कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करने बोलेंगे तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. ओके, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड फाइंड आउट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स. यहाँ पे हम लोग को फ्रैक्शन मिल रहा है. यू कैन एक्सप्रेस इन मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म ऑल्सो. ओके, तो इसको मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस कर लो. 46 डिवाइडेड बाई 13 है, सो 13 3s are 39. ओके, एंड 7 बचेगा, सो 3 7 by 13. All right, minus, so in mixed fraction form it will be -3 7 by 13. Okay,